Trends have evolved lately, and many fashion enthusiasts or just trend followers are ditching their pairs of sneakers for loafers and boots. There are many reasons for that change. The biggest may be the oversaturation of the sneakers market, but also people wanting to evolve their style and stop making the same outfits over and over again. There's absolutely nothing wrong with sneakers. Some of them are classics and they'll have a spot in any fashion enthusiast rotation. But we can't deny that most of us got bored by sneakers lately, and the natural evolution is loafers or boots, or in some cases both. That's personally how my style has evolved in the last 2 years, and the rest of my items followed that evolution. So why should you try and get yourself a good pair of boots? Why do you need one? Well, in my opinion, a good pair of boots is probably the most versatile pair of shoes you will ever wear. I know some may say, what about white sneakers? Yes, some white sneakers are extremely versatile. There's no denying that. But don't you want to look a bit more sophisticated, mature for some occasions? Disclaimer, this video has nothing to do with old money, quiet luxury, and all their clones. I'm not gonna talk about them today. I will probably do a video on them in the future, and I will talk more deeply about these styles and what I think about them and their communities, but it will mostly be negative stuff, so be ready for that. And I don't want to spend that energy today for this video, because this video is about boots. I want to show you how a good pair of boots can elevate your simple or even more advanced outfits. This is for absolutely everyone that wants to try something new and maybe boots aren't in their bag. Let's use basketball terminology, I don't know. And for people that just want to step out of their comfort zone, because that's how we evolve as human beings. I don't know why this video got a bit philosophical right now. Anyway, let's move on. And for that, I'll use the pair from the sponsor of this video, Joseph's Maro boots. I think that's how you pronounce the brand name. Yeah. These are an amazing alternative to the Our Legacy camion boots. You know, I talked about them a few times already on this channel. I love that silhouette, but they add their own spin to the iconic and popular silhouette from Our Legacy. A Vibram outsole, perfect for any situation, place or weather. And trust me, I've tried them in some nasty weathers here in Belgium. The upper is made from burnished cowhide directly from a tannery in Italy. Same goes for the lining, which is also made from cowhide in Italy. And they also have an ortholid insole, guaranteeing the best comfort. And as you can definitely see, oh fuck, I hit my microphone. Anyway, it's fine. As you can definitely see, I wore them a few times already. I wore them a few long days too. I gotta say, the breaking time in this is little to non-existent, at least for me. I've tried a few pair of boots already, loafers, and even like Converses. Those who wear Converses, y'all know what I'm talking about. Sometimes they will make you bleed from this part. I did not have that issue with this. These were comfortable from the start, and they're just getting more comfortable with time thanks to the insole and outsole. I'm really obsessed with these, I'm not gonna lie. If I'm talking about the product, that means I really liked it. I really love these boots. Everyone's feet are different, so what I consider comfortable and easy to break in will probably not be for you, but these are really comfortable, especially for a pair of boots. If you're looking for one that will be comfortable from the start or after a few wears and you can wear all day long, any season, anywhere, look no further. So, because these are an alternative to the Our Legacy camion boots, the versatility is definitely here. They are one of the most versatile pairs of boots you can ever own, and I tend to prefer boots and loafers with a rounder or slightly square toe shape rather than, like, you know, the spiky ones. First of all, I think these look more casual and they are easier to style and pull off for anyone. And second of all, I don't really like spiky shoes. Like, yeah, no, that looks too mature, but in the wrong way. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say here, but with these boots and with boots in general, the way to go is black or brown. If it's your first pair of boots, then definitely go with black. Black goes with everything. It's easy to pull off, it's easy to style, it's easy to do anything, basically. Some of y'all might say, yeah, but boots are more for colder months. They're not that versatile in the summer, for example. You're not totally wrong, but you're not completely right as well. Let me explain. First, you need to know where you live. Of course, if you live in Miami, your needs for clothing items will be completely different for someone that lives in Sweden, for example. Well, I live in Central Europe, and here it rains 90% of the time. Sometimes in the spring we have like nice weather, so in those situations you can definitely style this with nice pants, a hoodie or a t-shirt. Then in the summer, if we're lucky, we have sunny days, but that's like 5% of the summer. if you wanna wear boots in the summer, some people can pull them off with shorts. I'm not a fan of it. I don't think I can pull it off, but some people definitely can. You can wear a pair of linen pants, something lighter with these boots, and a t-shirt or a tank top or a shirt, something like that. It could work. Or summer nights. It's usually a bit colder, not too warm, not too cold. Perfect weather for a nice pair of boots. Let's say you're going on a date or something. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Yeah, my bad. And obviously, fall, winter. Boots are mostly popular for those seasons, and I'll show you a bunch of different outfits for different seasons, occasions in this video, don't worry. Also, like I said earlier, sneakers will always have a place in your wardrobe, so summer is probably the time you will want to switch up. So now let me show you a bunch of outfits for different situations, occasions, weather, places. Body shapes, no, I cannot change my body for now. This will be the first link in the description if you're interested. And yeah, that's all.
A dream bouquet.
Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. Thanks to Josepht for sending me these amazing, beautiful boots. I love them. So yeah, I've been completely obsessed with these. They look amazing. If you're interested, first link down below. They sent me these just to give an honest review and opinion. I thought, why not make a whole video about boots? Really good alternative to the Our Legacy camion boots, like I said. For cheaper, these are $200. I don't know how much that would be in euro currency, but the quality is here, the comfort is here. Everything, the design, everything is amazing, and it's definitely cheaper than $600 price tag on the camion boots from Our Legacy. Anyway, thanks for staying till the end, guys. Thanks to Josepht again. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe and turn on the notification if you haven't already. That will help the channel a lot, and thanks to everyone that does it. Let me know down in the comments what's your opinion about boots, what's your opinion about these boots, how would you style them. If you miss me between two videos because I don't post that often, I'm sorry, really busy, uni, other channel, but I'm trying to make every video as good as possible, so I try to take my time as well. You can follow me on Instagram because I'm really active there and my posts are cool, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.